Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Confusion, and welcome back to another video. Just a few weeks ago, I posted a review about a super cheap but great indoor security camera, and today I'm going right along with that theme and reviewing the Reolink Outdoor IP camera. The reason it falls under the budget category is because it only costs $109. Let's see how good the Reolink RLC-511 really is. I'd like to start off by thanking Reolink for sending this camera out to me for a review, but as you know, this will not affect my review in any way. I'm always going to tell you guys how it really is. So this outdoor Reolink security camera is a bullet style 5 megapixel powered over Ethernet IP camera. It's made of aluminum and is rated as IP66, which basically means it can withstand rainstorms with no issue. It operates within 14 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and depending on where you live, these limits may not be an issue. However, I will say that I've noticed that this camera works in about 8 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty impressive, but I can't promise that it'll work every time. The camera produces some really crisp looking videos, and this is thanks to the camera's resolution of 2560 by 1920. The really nice thing about this camera is its 4x optical zoom, which means if you need to monitor something very far away, you can zoom up to 4 times into that section without reducing the quality of the feed. The Varifocal Lens is a 2.7 to 12mm motorized lens, which has the ability to be manually and automatically focused. There's also a digital zoom function that works nicely to get a closer look at the subject. The night vision is exceptional, and I can pretty much see everything in my backyard at night. It boasts up to 100 feet of night visibility, and I can't fully test that far of a range, but I'd say my yard is about 80 feet long, and I can see the whole thing without any issues. Now, because this security camera is powered over Ethernet, there are both upsides and downsides. The upside being that setup is much easier because you only have to run one cable. However, you will need to purchase a powered over Ethernet injector, which can run you about $20 on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description below to the one I purchased for this camera. It's been working great. So for this whole setup, all you need is just one long Cat6, otherwise known as Ethernet cable, running from your router to the camera. This cable cannot exceed 330 feet. Now, if you have an outlet right next to the camera and prefer to run power through a DC power supply, you can do that as well, but it doesn't come with one in the box. So in my opinion, you might as well just go purchase a PoE injector. The camera has a micro SD card slot on the back, which allows up to a 64GB card to record any clips where motion is detected. You can then access all those clips through the playback feature. You're also able to record a snapshot or a video straight to your device using the clip function. This is especially handy if you're just trying to quickly share a clip of something that's currently happening. So let's talk about the app. It's pretty intuitive and easy to use. Inside the streaming page, you have the basic controls and capture functions. This is where you can swap between different stream qualities and change zoom and focus. I will say I wish the zoom worked a bit faster. It takes a bit for it to start zooming in, but on the bright side, you can fine tune the zoom to exactly where you want it because of this. Visually, I really like the app and everything is laid out simply. Now in the settings, you can change multiple aspects of this camera. You can dive in deep with sensitivity settings and adjust when you are notified of motion, or you can just adjust the bitrate of the stream and change the orientation of the camera. There's just a lot of settings to change here, and I really like that because you're not limited at all. Reolink hasn't packed in a bunch of smart features like Nest, however many people don't care about these, and in the end you're just saving money because of it. If you're looking to set up a security system with multiple cameras, Reolink makes an NVR system that you can monitor and record all of your cameras at once. So at the end of the day, I'd say the Reolink RLC-511 is a great affordable security camera to keep an eye on your house. It may not have fancy features and functions, but what it does have works fantastic. And the video quality is impressive and sharp. For right around $100, this camera is a steal, and I'd recommend picking one up and testing it out. Now, I will reiterate that you need to power over Ethernet injector to get this camera working, so don't forget that. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this camera. I look forward to chatting with you there. As always, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please remember to leave a like, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time guys, peace out.